What's good, Homo Squad? It's your boy, Homo Ziggy. We back in here with another 4-piece reaction for y'all. And hey, y'all already know, we just gonna get straight into it, man. We got RapKnight. Let me see. Hold up. Hold up. I gotta make sure I got the list. You already know. I told y'all before. I told y'all in the last one. I'm gonna make sure I start listing them out. Cause if you're new to my channel, I'm gonna make sure I list them out, giving them my respects. Feel me? So we got RapKnight, we got The Wolf, we got FreeSoul, y'all already know, and we got HazTik. So we gonna check this out. First song is Marine Kita. Look, y'all already know with me when it comes to certain anime names, I may not pronounce them well, so F it. Colo. RapKnight, my dress up darling. So we better check this out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get in the video. Oh look. Come on, Adam. Hold up. Hold up.
Every time you smile, there's a spark in your eye, and it's making me crazy. I'm crazy.
Hey. Oh yeah, he had. Look, if y'all haven't know, RapKnight. If y'all, for those who do know, but for those who don't know, RapKnight is Nigerian. So you know, yeah. This. Hold up. You already know with me, I ain't Nigerian, but whenever you're putting your Caribbean in your songs, yeah, I'm with you right there and there. Let's go. Hold up. Put this on my head for the rest of that reaction. Don't put this around. Put this on my head for that reaction. Let's go, RapKnight. Let's go.
And it's making me crazy, all crazy. I swear you be looking so fine, even more from behind.
They got that Afro beats type energy. Let's go.
I swear you be looking so fine, even more from behind. You why me, baby. She didn't go house, she come with us. Say nobody there for a house down. There's nothing left for me to consider. You know, don't see me like John Cena. Hey yo, I'm getting nothing now. She look at me like she want bust it down. But she saw how much I've been wanting her.
Hello. Come on, man. Don't be disrespecting me. Don't disrespect RapKnight like that, computer. Let's go.
She look at me like she want bust it down. But she saw how much I've been wanting her. My baby too sweet like Montina. Hey yo, you see how this girl they eye me, looking so enticing. He they bust my psyche.
My boy RapKnight bringing the Caribbean into Nerdcore now. Fuck is he talking about? Yes. Now this is definitely I can vibe out to. Fuck is he talking about? You see my flag. Bro, yes. Look. All I gotta say is whenever I'm gonna put this up here, you're gonna feel like a hold up. I'm gonna make it I'm gonna put it around my neck for now. So look, all I gotta say is This is why I say with Nerdcore, you always gonna get something different. Cause the fact that with RapKnight, he putting Caribbean, like real Caribbean vibes to this. Like even like, come on now. You really think me as a Jamaican, who when you hear beats like this, you don't think I'm gonna throw up my flag? Come on now. Look at you talking about. And look, shout out to all my Nigerians out there. Hey, and I have some, and in a way, I have like a few little Nigerian friends. Few of them, not a lot, just a few. But hey, if all my Nigerian people out there, shout out to y'all. She came to my home. She knocked and I opened the door. Now she don't take my heart, they go, 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 go. If y'all know some Afro B, some Jopa, man, if y'all don't know about the look, the most Nigerian is like this. If y'all don't know some Afro B, if y'all don't know some Davido, something wrong with y'all. I can guarantee you that. I only get eyes for you, I swear I cannot lie to you, and that RapKnight, I want to know in the comments, because I know you're probably going to see this. Do you listen to some Afrobeat or some Davido? Because with this type of impression, and come on now, them two Nigerian, you Nigerian, I know for a fact you have to listen to them to get this inspiration. What you say? I only get eyes for you, I swear I cannot lie to you. My if unaya, my only desire. I only get eyes for you, I swear I cannot lie to you. See how this girl behind me, looking so enticing. He dey bust my psyche. I'm on the jam, on my twice of darling. You dey rush my heartbeat, my cosplay honey. Make you wanna bring up your flag. What is you talking about? Shout out to RapKnight, man. Y'all can't tell me this. Hold up, man. Before we get into the next song. Hold on. Y'all cannot tell me. Hold on. The Wolf. Hold on, girl. Before I get to you. RapKnight. Like I said, I want to know in the comments, because I know you're going to probably watch this or see this. Did you listen to some Afrobeat or some Davido? Because goddammit, you cannot tell me that if you didn't listen to them, you wasn't inspired by this. Because I can definitely hear them too on a song like this. And also, like I said, don't be a sounds like this is why Nerdcore is gonna keep on going for as long as it takes, because with the new ideas, new song in it and such, especially bringing the Caribbean vibes into this, oh yeah, I can guarantee you after that song, more Nerdcore artists, whether they're big or whether they're minor or major, you know they're gonna want to bring in their Caribbean heritage, no matter what. Even if they're American, you know some of them have to have some Caribbean heritage in them, so you know they're gonna have to throw it up one time for the one time. So RapKnight, shout out to you, my boy. But now we are on to Albedo Rap Tequila, the Wolf Overlord. Let's get it.
Yeah, I'm all pressure, got a little thing for you, baby, so you undressing. Yeah, Wolf. Yeah, I'm all pressure, got a little thing for you, baby, so you undressing. SMS, yeah, I know you got the message, but the water's what I'm testing like. Here's a floaty, gotta keep it coated, no tequila, but you potent like. Hit the motions, get a little focus. Great Lakes when you dive, ground game. That surprise God on the floor, so I call him prime time. Like it ain't bogeys, don't play with emotions. We could get it going. I just need to know it, yeah. I just need to know it. Why don't you take it to the head? Let me lay you in this bed, taking care of you instead.
Hey, oh, first of all, ain't that coincidence now that after I just heard RapKnight, I'm hearing this beat, having that little spicy Caribbean type vibe in there? Like that little, because with a song like called Tequila, you don't think it's gonna have like a little Mexican vibe in there? That's why I be, man. And hold up, I haven't watched Overlord yet. Y'all should it's like this. I want y'all to comment down below of many animes that I should want to start watching. Because I feel like with Overlord, because from the many songs that has been coming from it, especially from like Rustage and Daddy Fat Snaps and such. Strawberry 2? I don't think so. But from them two, when they did theirs, I gotta say, with Overlord, I feel like I might want to watch it. So y'all let me know if it's good or if it's not good. But you know, let me know.
Why don't you take it to the head? Let me lay you in this bed, taking care of you instead. Yeah, I'm always in control, but I'm here to let it go. If you walking through the door, like you know this, I know that you know this. We could get it going. Tequila bottle open, like the liquor flowing. I could get you pulsing.
Like the liquor flowing, I could get you pulsing. Hey now. Hey now.
This ain't usually what I do, but I'm taking aim and I shoot like if it get me close to you, feeling on your body too, then that's cool like you see what I'm toting, curves like a country road, going locomotive. Hit the motions, get a little potion, cause up some commotion. I need that devotion, do it right, and I'm giving out these promotions. So we say it's demon time. Nickname, succubus in his phone and his spine, cause I know what I am and I ain't gotta lie. Why don't you take it to the head? Let me lay you in this bed, taking care of you instead.
Cause I feel like from when I heard Daddy Fat Snaps Overlord one, and in that part where Alberto, I got a bone to pick Alberto the vertebrae, something like that back-breaking, something like that back-breaking bar. Yeah, I can, yeah. And now confirming from this song, yeah, this girl Albedo, this anime character Albedo, yeah, she is one of them type of, I wouldn't say yandere types waifu, but she freaky. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I'm always in control, but I'm here to let it go. If you walking through the door, like you know this, I know that you know this. We could get it going. Tequila bottle open, like the liquor flowing. I could get you pulsing.
Ooh, come on.
Tequila bottle open, I could get you pulsing. Tequila bottle open, like the liquor flowing.
You gotta dance to this.
Tequila.
Look here, and for those who come on this reaction saying that, nigga, why you keep on pausing? Nigga. One, for dumbass people who thinks that way, let me point you out. It's called a reaction. You clicked on a channel that has what? Reaction channel. That basically reacts to certain things. But in this channel, it's mostly music. Especially nerdcore music. Or just, it basically is music I react to. If you want to check out the original song without hearing me, go to the original song. But I'm just, alright. Now I got that out of the way. Yo, you cannot tell me with a song like this, and you hearing them horns in the background. And come on, man. If y'all look, I don't care if you're black, I don't care if you're white, and if you're and of course with this song, if you're Mexican and such, especially if you're a reactor like me, right? How can you just sit here and just go when you hear the do, just sit there? Nah, nigga, you gotta bop to it, especially with this when it has that when it got that salsa kind of vibe. Boy, you crazy.
Tequila bottle open, I can get you pulsing.
Gotta do this.
Tequila bottle open, like the liquor flowing. When I go like,
Gotta throw my flag again.
bottle open, like the liquor flowing. I can get you pulsing. Why don't you take it to the head? Let me lay you in this bed, taking care of you instead. Yeah, I'm always in control, but I'm here to let it go. If you're walking through the door, like you know this, I know that you know this. We could get it going. Tequila bottle open, like the liquor flowing. I could get you pulsing.
Hey. Hey, shout out to the Wolf Girl. You did your thing, and you were getting perky, girl. You on that? You really on Albedo's type of time where you getting perky. We on to the next one, Miss Freakiness. And speaking of when she said it on Demon Time, you already know. Say it with me now. FreeSoul section. With a Jujutsu Kaisen rap, Sakuna. Let's get it. You already know.
That's right. You're listening to FreeSoul.
Ooh, Otaku Underworld.
I feel like Sukuna, lots of arms on me mutation. I see you rocking them mammoths.
Already off the rip. Off the rip. I feel like Sukuna, a lot of arms of mutations, a lot of arms, because he got 4 arms, but also a lot of arms.
I feel like Sukuna, lots of arms on me mutation. I see you rocking them mammoths on basic. I got some demons inside, feel like radiant. Equal my energy, check the equation. My soul
Hold up.
basic. I got some demons inside, feel like radiant. Can equal my.
Bet I'm the MC, can't equal my energy, check the equation. This nigga just put the talk that Einstein music. This nigga just put the Einstein music theory bar in the equation. E equals MC. Hold on, y'all. You cannot just. Bro, what? Anytime when I hear FreeSoul, man, he, in a way, he just. FreeSoul is the type of artist that, when a Nerdcore artist, that anytime when he's gonna spit his bars, you know, with me, I'ma get him like that. He always finds a way how to do that. Like, how?
Mutation. I see you rocking them mammoths on basic. I got some demons inside, feel like radiant. Can equal my energy, check the equation. My soul has been ancient, so I'm like reincarnation. I see you stuck in the matrix, taking shit over like Mason. Come out the trenches, I'm moving like Jinx. Don't leave me on the ground, I'm like a sphinx. Yeah, I'm like rock, that pussy like Shanks. That bitch like Zelda, you know that we link.
That bitch in the Zelda, you know that we link the
reality of words like the dark hole. Throw shit like one, no one kids, so I bust love. Gotta read between the lines like Barco. Get to the drop, I'm feeling like Arnold. I'm not a human bitch, worse I'm like the demon shit curse. Yeah, she bad, that bitch, boy, don't got a heart, cause love hurts. I'm not a human bitch, worse I'm like the demon shit curse. Yeah, she said that bitch, boy, don't got a heart, cause love hurts. I don't want love, it's the waters like Kagi. I pull up the pack and we laugh like a hyena. Gotta show up on the yachts like a gossipina. I got my hand in that play like Ocarina. Under the pad and the work is like Yagami. Eating these rappers up, feeling like Kaneki.
One thing I gotta say, with FreeSoul, he's like the right type of like great sounds where, and the thing is and it's something I'm always gonna come back to with him is the way how he used the auto-tune just right. It's not too little, it's not too much, it's just at that right pitch, it's just at that right temp, like right volume where you can still hear him and he sonically sounds good to the ear, and where with any in any beat you put him in, right? Any type of beat he will go on, whether it's like a hip hop beat or an R&B one, or in his thing where he puts on like hyper popular soul, bro, his type of charisma on a beat plus with the autotune and the bars and such, I don't think I've ever seen another nerdcore artist does his type of style like that. Maybe they be, maybe. But with FreeSoul, it's like the way how Peso Pete is with his type of unorthodox energy. FreeSoul, he's got that. His type of I would say auto-tune energy. Where with Peso, like I said, he's as unorthodox, where he has a way of sometimes he'll be on beat, but then he'll be off beat, but finds a way how to make it just be good to the ears. With FreeSoul, he's the type of man that no matter what beat he's on, with his right type of auto-tune and such, and his type of flows and energy into a song, it slaps.
That pussy is fire like Tommy. Keep smoking a cigarette, feeling like Sanji. I got a stick in my dome, ain't out of the clip for expansion. Look on their faces to match and reaction. I make a wave and start seeing refraction. Y'all never catching me slipping, got traction. Get high like a welder.
Y'all never catching me slipping, got traction. See what I mean? See what I effing mean?
Reaction. I make a wave and start seeing refraction. Y'all never catching me slipping, got traction. Get high like a welder. I make a rain, so y'all better take shelter. Like Lucy, the key is the spirit. It's down in destruction, I'm feeling like beer. I'm not a human, bitch. Worse, I'm like a demon, shit curse. Yeah, she bad, that bitch. But don't got a heart, cause love hurts. I'm not a human, bitch. Worse, I'm like a demon, shit curse. Yeah, she said that bitch. But don't got a heart, cause love hurts.
Nah, sorry, we gotta go back. Go back. I don't care. Y'all gonna hear this
out of the
again.
clip for expansion. Look on their faces to match and reaction. I make a wave and start seeing refraction. Y'all never catching me slipping, got traction. Get high like a welder. I make a rain, so y'all better take shelter. I'm like Lucy, the key is the spirit. It's down in destruction, I'm feeling like beer. I'm not a human, bitch. Worse, I'm like a demon, shit curse. Yeah, she bad, that bitch. But don't got a heart, cause love hurts. I'm not a human, bitch. Worse, I'm like a demon, shit curse. Yeah, she said that bitch. But don't got a heart, cause love hurts.
And the thing I want to say is that whenever it comes to FreeSoul, right? He's the type of guy where not even just beats, you just throw in like and you just give him any type of show, right? Anime or as we saw the Phineas and Ferb one, just throw in each cartoon show or anime show and such, and you see how fast he'll make that bitch snap just like that. He'll make it go hard. To this day, right, my two favorite songs from him is that E-I-E-I-O one and the Booyah one with, like, bro. And there was another, yeah, but I'm just saying, is that E-I-E-I-O one and the freaking Booyah, them two, I mean, for goodness sakes. When I was live stream, remember when I did a live stream and it had that song, the E-I-E-I-O one, the fact that I was able to the fact that I went back to that song in that live stream and I was at the end, but because of that song that was so fire, I had to go back for the one time and just dance it out. Like, that was the first time y'all ever see me in one of those live streams. Y'all see me dance and such, but have you ever seen me like get up from the chair and start dancing to it? Like, no. Shout out to FreeSoul and shout out to Otaku Underworld. And y'all already know now, speaking of Otaku Underworld again, we got HazTik now and Nerdcore Arc Rap Crank That Necro Mix. Let's get it.
If you want this game to be a success, if you want multiplayer to be a success, there's one character or maybe two, I don't know how you want to break it down, that cannot come back to this game. So who am I talking about?
I should have. I know good. Ow. I just hit myself in the head. I might as well. First of all, I should have known. I should have effing, like, why didn't I feel like that wasn't gonna, with a time, I should have effing knew that it should have been like a Soldier Boy thing. Cause come on, when you hear Crank That, who do you think of? Soldier Boy. So
What about
I got a new dance I call it Nerdcore.
wait, what you said there?
I got a new dance I call it Nerdcore.
Intro and outro from Drew Jaya. Thank you for letting me use the clips. The melty sweet.
I can't even take myself seriously. Hold on, no. Walk off in this. Watch me crank it, watch me. Watch me crank that neck, go walk that mash about this. Now watch me crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go up. Neck go walk off in this. Watch me crank.
Yeah, you know what I've been saying for the past months or so. Otaku, or not even month, let me say months. Otaku Underworld is running Nerdcore. For all other groups, or Rumble World, or Iron Rose or so, any other, and Loop and such. Look, I love y'all. Y'all know I still give y'all roses, no doubt about it. But I'm just saying, how y'all gonna make Otaku Underworld remix a classic banger song like Crank That? I don't see none of y'all doing stuff like this.
Now watch me crank that neck go up. Neck go up off in this. Watch me crank it, watch me.
That's where y'all need to get. Screwface needs to react to this, cause I goddamn well known he gon' dance to this bitch, cause you know how he rocking with Otaku Underworld. So I know damn well y'all better go share this music to him.
Watch me crank that neck, go walk that mash about this. Now watch me crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go walk. Neck go walk off in this. Watch me float and watch me rock. Mash about this. 60 on them like it's safe on block. Super fresh now, watch me drop. Dropping on them haters, man. When I crank that neck, go walk. I size up with 6238 now. I'm dropping on them. And if I get full meter, then I'm popping on them. Catch me at your local bracket, yes I crank it every day. Haters getting mad cause I just went on Wi-Fi straight. Neck go walk off in this, watch me crank it, watch me. Watch me crank that neck, go walk that mash about this. Now watch me crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go up. Neck go walk off in this, watch me crank it, watch.
Wait, I want to know if this probably gonna get claimed, cause I know it probably is. Wait, I know damn well. Yep, I figured. But you know what? Fuck it, I don't care.
Watch me crank that neck, go walk that mash about this. Now watch me crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go watch me. Crank that neck, go up.
Yeah, if you were gonna get Type Lumen, they'll get it now, cause the update was hard and they added Mecha. You know, I'm not even a big fan of Melty Blood. I played some of Current Code. I like Ryugu Shiki. But you know, it's not my preferred. I'm pretty bad at it.
This ain't still around.
It's pretty fun now. So like, pick it up. Feel me? Melty Sweet. All that shit.
I know in the past I may have made a certain video talking about some characters I do not want in the game. Keep these characters out of Melty Blood. Type Lumen. I'm going back on my word. I bend the knee. I bend the knee to the Nerdcore community.
Hey, that was fire. I don't care what y'all say. Man, like I said before, Otaku Underworld running the Nerdcore community. Fight me. If y'all don't like me saying that, either you fight me or the other groups like Loop, Rumble World and such. And y'all love, like I said, y'all know I love y'all. But I'm just saying, are you doing this type of thing? Are you, if you say your culture, right? Saying if you say you're cultured, why you ain't make like nigga? They put in a hashtag melty sweep. And they remixed one of the most iconic dance songs in the last decade or so, you could say. So, like, come on now. I don't care how much I don't care what anybody say, that throughout, no matter what crazy thing Soulja Boy is doing and such, come on now. Y'all cannot act like this man didn't put in a banger. Like freaking Crank That. So I'm just saying, for all the nerdcore groups out there, if y'all ain't doing something like this, I'm sorry. Y'all not just, y'all, I try to keep it as unbiased as I can. Y'all not gonna beat Otaku Underworld and running the game. I'm just saying. But yeah, like I said, shout out to Otaku Underworld, especially from HazTik and FreeSoul. Y'all keep doing y'all thing, and shout out to the other two, RapKnight and The Wolf, especially RapKnight with that freaking Caribbean flow in there, man. You know I had to put on the flag for the one time. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about this in the comments below. It's been your boy Homer Ziggy signing out. Stay positive and keep the vibes up. There you go.